Hape.
Children's play is all about experimenting and exploring the world around them. They love to put things together and see what happens, just because they're curious. This toy is made to stimulate the children's curiosity. I always have the children's skills in mind. The tools and functions are designed to work in small hands. It's a pleasure to designing this toy and inspire the inventor spirit in children from an early age. The Inventor system is totally flexible. Children can connect pieces everywhere and create unique devices themselves. The options are endless. The children can continue building and add new features to the experiment. The children actually invent their own toys during the play, and the toys are just the tools for the experience. It's pretty amazing to play with Junior Inventor and learn about science at the same time.
Hape.